In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of the annoying blog posts that will show up on your blog listing in the event that you have a smart slide deck on your website. For an example of this, just take a look at the blog on this site. Most posts will be like this one, where it's nice and clean and lined up, whereas these images from that smart slide deck are just huge and they stretch way outside of the website, which obviously doesn't help us at all. And I'm going to show you how to get rid of posts in categories that you don't want using a very simple and convenient plugin. So first, go into your dashboard, and down here on the left you'll see plugins. You'll want to click this little drop down and click into this plugins link here, and then you're going to click add new. We're going to need to search for this plugin, and it is called, I believe, Ultimate Category Excluder. Yep, it is called Ultimate Category Excluder. So type in Ultimate Category Excluder and hit enter or click the search button. Once you find this one right here, click install now and click OK. And then once it's been installed successfully, you're going to click activate plugin, which will make it so that you can actually use it. And now that it's installed and activated, we can scroll down over here on the left under settings. Again, you can click this little arrow to show it if it's not showing. And you're going to click the one that says category exclusion. This is where you'll edit the settings for this plugin. Right now, I have exclude from main page and exclude from feeds already checked, because I was kind of experimenting with it before. And you're going to want to do the same thing for the category of homepage slider. The reason for this is that the quote main page is actually the page we designated as the post page in a previous video, and feeds is something that I don't really know what it is, but it's not going to hurt to exclude it from that since we don't really want them to show up anywhere else. And if you were to click exclude from archives, it would actually make the homepage slideshow be blank, which is not what we want. So click the checkbox for these two and then click update. And now if we were to go to our blog and click refresh, we'll notice that it's exactly like we want. Only the news articles or any other category other than homepage slider is what displays here.